Okay guys, so welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be recreating these Photoshop effects directly inside Corel Draw. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, please click the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you get notifications anytime I drop a new video. So let's get into it.
The Extreme Corel Draw Manipulation course is an awesome course we created where we recreated 12 Photoshop manipulations directly inside Corel Draw. So if you are someone that wants to become very advanced in Corel Draw, or you want to learn manipulations, you want to learn very advanced methods in Corel Draw, then this course is for you. You can check the video description for the link. Back to the video.
So as we have the main image here, at the end of the video we want to achieve this effect here. So we're going to be making use of the perspective tool. I think that's mainly the perspective tool. So but as we move forward, we'll see how it goes. So the first thing we're going to do, let's just type our text like this. So as you can see, we have our text. So let's use a text that's a bit longer, something like this. That's a bison. We can change it to like red. We can actually maybe darken the red a bit. Something like this is okay. Okay, now so we have our text. So let us keep this text aside. So the next thing we want to do, I would like to, because you notice here the lady's body is on top the wall, which is like the wall is painted with this text here, and so you can see she's on top. So what we'll do, we're going to use the pen tool. So let us create a mask with the pen tool. So let's do that quickly. Okay, as you can see, we're done creating the mask. So after doing that, you can just use your shape tool to just adjust different areas. So what I'm going to do, while this is highlighted, I'll hold shift down, click on the main image and go to intersect here. So if I intersect, I can now remove this the shape that we created. As you can see, we created an image on top. So let us leave it like that. Now back to our text. So we're going to increase this text. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go to objects and go to perspective and go to add perspective. So depending on the Corel Draw, I'm using Corel Draw 2024. So on lower Corel Draws you might have that maybe in bitmaps or somewhere like that. As you can see, so you just shape this. Now the secret here is to line it with this line you are seeing here, this line here. So you just do that. Just make sure it aligns perfectly. Probably bring this text up to this point here. So you just look at how this one is. As you can see, it's near the bottom here. As you can see, just make sure you do it, let it look as realistic as possible. So let's assume we're going to use it like this. Let us bring this one and put it on top like this. So anytime you want to go back to the tool, you go to use your shift shape tool, and you can adjust further. So let's just do something. So okay, so now next thing we're going to do, let's go to okay, let's darken the text a bit. Let's darken the text like this. Then let us add transparency going up. just a bit. No, let's cancel the transparency first. Then let's pick some options here. Let's look at, let's see overlay. Okay, overlay looks good. Then what I might do, I might just Ctrl D and duplicate. Now I'll go to the top layer and do a transparency going up. As you can see, something like this. Then I can still come on top this and probably darken it a bit, like so. As you can see, it has the same realistic textures as this, as you can see here. So you can try this with different texts that you may have. Put a comment in the comment section if you have any issues, and see you in the next one.